Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are having a great day. Now my day has been pretty interesting because I just got my hands on the brand new MacBook Air M3. Now the device that I have here specifically is the 15-inch model and it comes in this starlight colorway. So in today's first impressions video, I'm going to share with you a couple of points, maybe just 5 points on what I personally think about the MacBook Air M3 and of course who I think this device is really for. Let's begin the video right away. Now first and foremost, my first impressions about this device. It's my first 15-inch model, and if you just want to be very specific in terms of the numbers, it's a 15.3-inch display, and I think it's just fantastic because it works so much better than the 13-inch. Again, this depends on your use case. If you're going to be using a lot of documents side by side, or if you're going to be opening multiple tabs, I think the larger screen estate is definitely going to be helping you out. Other than that, if you're also someone who edits like content, you do your videos, your photos, again, the larger screen estate will make it so much easier to do your work on it. Now moving on to my first impression about this, well, I would say that in terms of the weight, it definitely was a bit heavier compared to the 13-inch model. Now I've been using the 13-inch for quite a bit now, so when I got the 15-inch, naturally I did expect a slight weight increase, but the good thing is that it's only slightly more than 1.5 kilograms, so it's not that heavy at all. So again, just expect a slight increase of weight, but it's not even that much. Now my third impression about this device here naturally is because we do have the new M3 chip. So performance is going to be way better than previous, way better than before. If you are going to be doing like I said, like content creation, if you're going to be doing like light gaming, Apple has definitely upped the graphics on the M3 chip, and again on the MacBook Air, everything just flies. You can expect like the best of performance coming from the MacBook Air. Now moving on to my fourth impression that I noticed about the MacBook Air M3, and that is for this 15-inch model, it actually came with 6 speakers compared to 4 on the 13-inch model. And again guys, the sound is actually quite noticeably louder, it's richer, and it definitely sounds better than the 4 speaker version. Obviously, if you're going to be doing a lot of entertainment, if you watch a lot of like shows on your Mac, if you do like your Netflix, Disney Plus, your Apple TV, definitely I would say that you will benefit from this 6 speaker system. Other than that, the voice isolation has also been improved, and if you're going to be doing a lot of video calls on your Mac, naturally for work or for your classes, presentation or whatnot, again you're going to be benefiting from that mic and speaker system. Now last but not least, in terms of my first impression, that's about the price. Now this device starts from 5199 ringgit here in Malaysia, and that's for the 13-inch, but you have to go to 6199 for the 15-inch. If you ask me personally, I think that this larger size definitely fits very well if you're going to be using your laptop for a long period of time. If you are just the kind of user who uses your laptop like occasionally and you don't mind a smaller display, I would say just go for the 13-inch. But if you are actually using your laptop like for a lot of productivity users, your documents, your work, your classes, like editing content and whatnot, definitely the 15-inch is the smarter choice to go because it just gives you that bigger space, better speakers, and that larger screen estate. Now both devices are obviously great, but maybe this video can help you out in choosing whether you should get the 13-inch or the 15-inch model. Now in a nutshell, if you are looking for a new laptop to purchase in 2024 and you're looking for the strongest MacBook Air, definitely you should check out the MacBook Air M3. You can expect the best of the best in terms of Apple's performance, their silicon, everything is going to be great on this device. If you are an Apple user, please comment down below what you think. If you are already using the MacBook Air, again, let me know your thoughts. It's always great to hear from actual users. With that said, thank you for watching today's video all the way to the end. Again, this is the first impressions. If you want to look for benchmark and numbers, go check out some other videos. But thank you for staying with me, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Do take care and stay safe. Bye bye.